Now we will see question number 5 of exercise 3.2. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degrees? Now in A part they are asking that is it possible to have a regular polygon? Regular polygon means having all sides and angles equal and its exterior angle is 22 degree, given to us 22 degree. So they are asking that क्या ये possible है that regular polygon with exterior angle 22 degree? अगर exterior angle 22 degree है, so this type of polygon, is it possible? So we will check whether it is possible or not. How we will check? So first we will find out number of sides. If polygon is possible, then how many sides the polygon may have? So that we have to find out. We will check that. So first exterior angle is given to us. So we will first write down exterior angle. Exterior angle is given as 22 degrees. Now again we know that sum of all exterior angle that is equal to 360 degree. So number of sides we can find out. Number of sides will be equal to 360 and this 22 we will divide. 360 divided by this 22. Now cancellation we will do with the table of 2. So 2 ones are here, also 2 ones are, and here 2 18s are is 36 and this 0 as it is. So number of sides we are getting 180 upon 11. Now 180 upon 11, now cancellation is not possible. 180 and 11 both will never come in the same table. So cancellation is not possible. So number of sides we are getting in fraction. Okay, so and if you will solve it further, it will come in decimal point. And number of sides, it can never be in fraction or decimal point. कोई भी polygon होगा, for example any triangle or quadrilateral or any polygon. Number of sides may be 3, 4 or 5 whatever, but it can never be in fraction. Number of sides fraction में कभी भी नहीं possible है. So here number of sides we are getting in fraction. So they are asking is it possible? So our answer will be no. It is not possible to have a regular polygon with exterior angle as 22 degrees. So you will write your final statement that no, it is not possible. It is not possible, okay, to have a regular polygon with exterior angle as 22 degrees. So this will be our final statement. Now let us see B part. Now B part is, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Now they are asking exterior angle, it is not possible. We got the answer that for exterior angle. So same question, but here 22 degree, take it as interior angle. Now for second one we have to take it as interior angle. So in second one, in B part, our interior angle we have to take it as 22 degree. As we have seen in previous sum, interior angle is given. Now again we will find out number of sides. But for that we want exterior angle. So exterior angle you can find out. Interior angle and exterior angle, they form linear pair. So again you can find out exterior angle by doing 180 minus 22 degree, because we know that interior angle and exterior angle, they both form linear pair. So 180 minus 22 degree we will do. So this will become 10. 10 minus 2 will be 8. Here it will become 7. So 7 minus 2 will be 5 and here 1. So 158. So we got 158 as our exterior angle. Now we know that the sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree. Sum of all exterior angles, that is 360 degree. Now let us check number of sides. If number of sides, again if it comes in fraction, then again such polygon is not possible. Let us check out number of sides. How we will do? 360 we will divide by this 158. So 360 divide by 158. Now cancellations possible, so we will start cancelling with the table of 2. So here 2 7s are 14, 1 left, 2 9s are 18, so 79. Here 180. So we are getting 180 upon 79. Now again 180 upon 79, they never come in same table. These both will never come in same table. So again cancellation is not possible. So 180 upon 79 we are getting as number of sides. So number of sides again we got in fraction. So again our final statement will be no, it is not possible. So no, it is not possible. So it is not possible to have a regular polygon with interior angle 22 degrees. So if 22 degrees is taken as exterior angle, then also such polygon is not possible. If 22 is taken as interior angle, then also such polygon is not possible. So this was our fifth sum.